Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. This today we are going to explain how you can actually update your school setting. I'm talking about the active school setting. So how do you do that? So the first thing you do is that you log in, you go to staff login, you log in. So I've already done that. So I'm going to go to the dashboard, and you do that as an administrator. You must be school admin. Either you're a multi-school admin or you are a school admin before you can have this capability, before you can possess this capability. So then let's go. As a school admin, the first thing you do, you come to the dashboard. So you can actually make use of any of these widgets because these widgets are clickable. So for me, I want to go to active school. This is an active school. So either you do it here or you come here. So for me, I want to make use of this place. But if you say you want to make use of this place, you can open here. So now I will make use of this place, active school. Then you come straight to school, active school setting. So I want to open this in another tab. So now it's in another tab. So this is an active school setting. Now you want to change the signature or the logo of your school. You do all of that. What I mean, the signature of the principal or the signature of the headmistress. So this is where you put it. So what you need to do, you just come down to this place, say upload school signature. So this school signature will be the signature that will automatically appear in all the results, in all the credentials of students, of the principal, of the headmistress, as the school, as the case may be. Then the logo that will appear in all the documents and the results will be this logo of the school. So now I want to do this. I want to change the signature. I've already uploaded the signature to my computer. So what I will do, I will look for the folder of the signature where I save it to. Save it to a folder here. So this is the signature of the new principal. So I will just come. Now it's now I'm saying I've uploaded it. This one will not disappear. This is the old one. So I will just save it. Now it has been saved successfully. So I want to see whether that signature really is. I want to refresh this page to know whether the signature has really been updated. So you can see this is the brand new signature. So in all the results, this signature is going to appear. So I want to see whether this signature actually appear in the current results. So I will go to exam and result. So even when the result is old, it's going to appear. So go to exam and result. Let me go to exams and go to exam, manage exam. So this is exam. So these exams are there. So I want to go to exam result here. Exam result. So this is exam result. So I want to check this first term exam. I want to check this result. I want to see whether there are results. So I don't know whether there are results in this exam result. So I want to view this. I want to view exam result. So this student has a result. So I want to see Morena. I want to see this result of the student. So now what I will do, I will scroll down. I want to move this up. So see, so you can see the signature of the principal has appeared, while the signature of the teacher has also appeared. So this is how you get it done. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching.